Where are we going, guys, today?
We're going to pick up the dog. I'm so excited.
Finally, the day have arrived. We are going to pick up what?
The dog. The dog.
Yeah. Let's go and pick up our puppy from Red Deer. So, stay with us. What? It's not bright enough that way here. Over here it's bright. Yeah. A road trip. Picking up a puppy. Right, Heiko?
Yeah.
Our life will change forever from now. Because getting a puppy is a lot of work. What we are getting into ourselves, it's gonna be a lot of work. But anyway, we're up to it. We did a 1 year research. My last video, we went to check the mommy and the litter. But today we are picking up the puppy. It's gonna be a female. I don't wanna say the name, but if you're watching this video, just stay till the end of the video and I'm gonna tell you guys the name that we pick for her. Till then, let's enjoy this beautiful, about an hour and 45 minutes from Edmonton, Alberta. Heat is rising. The moment of reality is gonna kick in now. We're almost there after 2 hours or the 5-minute drive. We are here. Kind of a little bit nervous, knowing the reality is gonna kick in. Our life is gonna change. We're gonna see the puppy today and pick it up at the same time. Are you guys nervous or what?
I'm not nervous, I'm happy! I'm happy! I can't wait, I just want
Looks like all the work is gonna come in my lap anyway. This guy, they say they're happy, but I don't. It's a lot of work. We're almost here. Well, one day at a time. That's all I can say. This is completely a new experience that we're gonna be experiencing. I hope it's gonna change our life into a learning experience. Holy, what a gravel. Long drive. So Mama, are you ready or what?
I don't know.
Mama's nervous.
In 1 kilometer, turn right.
You heard that. In 1 kilometer, turn right. Well, stay with us. The moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that canal. That's a big canal. I don't even know which way she wants us to go, but she wants us to come that side, this side. I don't know. So let's see how calm the mom is. Yeah, I hope her puppies will be exactly like her. That tickles.
Did she lick your foot?
Yeah.
She's very cute.
Oh my god, you look so cute! She just woke up, so let's take her on the grass, okay? You guys can come down. Just watch where you step, okay?
She looks so nice. She's very pretty. She's very sweet.
Hello.
Oh. She loves how she likes you, Dad.
I don't know, to hug you, to kiss you, I don't even know what to do.
It's been a long wait.
Yeah.
I miss him. We have a big space there.
Finally picked her up. That's our new baby.
Our sister.
She's shivering. Yeah, see ya.
Thank you.
Dad, right here.
She's already comfortable and she's asleep. We long drive to go anyway, an hour and a half from here. Well, just stay with us. I'm gonna show you later on when we get home. How you gonna say no to her? She's awake again.
She woke up.
She woke up, yeah.
That was fast.
They're gonna continue taking nap here and there. So we signed the paperwork. She's a registered Canadian Kennel Club. So we got the paper for her. So hopefully we're gonna find a good veterinarian. What do you call it?
Veterinary.
I can't pronounce that word.
Veterinary.
Veterinary. Did I say it right? I can't even pronounce it. That's pretty bad. Alright, so hopefully we're gonna find a good one that we can continue giving her 3 remaining shots left. And I got lots work on my hand just to train her to become a good puppy, a good dog.
Sleeping.
She's taking a nap again. She, I guess, on and off. That's how they grow. We made it home. Let's go. Come here. Come.
Yeah, squeeze this.
Come. Come on. She got car sick. Come on. Come. There you go. Come on. Come here. She been car sick. She vomited twice. So finally we made it home anyway. Come on. Come on, baby. Come. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. You say, where am I? You're home. Your new home. No.
Jacket first, before you carry that one, bring that.
Come on. Come.
The water.
Come on.
Oh, take it out now.
She's not feeling well. Anyway, time to take her in, let her get rested and get comfortable. I'm just trying to let her get comfortable around the house, and this is the spot that I want her to use it as party here. So before we go in, I gotta tell her to get comfortable. What are you thinking?
Did she pee?
No, she didn't. She's just. She's just trying to leave her alone. Now she's not used to noises. She's from a farm area, so she just heard a car right now and she was like terrified. You okay? Lots of noise here, huh? It's not like they're in the acreage. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna get used to it. Yes, good job. It's gonna take time for you to get used to it, okay? It's gonna take time to get used to it. No? Oh. What? What happened? It's completely stranger here, huh? Strange area. Different house. No mommy. No siblings. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Yes. This is your new home. So we got home. It's been a long drive, so she barely handled well on the car because she vomited twice. So I guess she got car sick. So now she's still trying to get comfortable at home. So a little bit shy, but at least one positive that she did. She's just laying on her crate, just relaxing, as I promised. So her name is Roxy. She's just trying to get familiar to the house, and she got tired from the long ride. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll probably update you guys hopefully weekly. If you want to follow me up, I'm gonna put my Snapchat below this video. You can follow her and follow me as well. Till then, that's usually what I say in every video.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna include her now this time. What do you say?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.